So the next topic what I have to discuss, so declarations and access modifiers. Declarations and access modifiers. Declarations and access modifiers. In the first subtopic what I have to discuss, okay, declarations and access modifiers. The first subtopic, Java source file structure. Java source file structure. Java source file structure. Second one, class level modifiers. Java source file structure. Second, class level modifiers. Class level modifiers. Third one, member level modifiers. Member level modifiers. Class level modifiers, member level modifiers. And then we have to talk about interfaces. And then we have to discuss about interface concept. Interfaces. Okay, that's all. Java source file structure, class level modifiers, member modifiers, and then we should go for interfaces. Okay, that is the concept what we have to discuss. So seems to be very simple. Just only 4 lines of agenda. Then how much time we require to spend? Here almost around 20 hours we require to spend only on this topic. Don't underestimate by saying only 4 lines of agenda. So Java source file structure, minimum 5 to 6 hours we have to spend. Class level modifiers 4 to 5 hours. Member level modifiers 4 to 5 hours. Interface concept is the concept of 4 to 5 hours, right? Almost around 20 hours we have to discuss on this concept. Make sure you people should have clear clarity at this stage. Anyway, 20 hours we are going to spend on this topic. Now keep subheading Java source file structure. Java source file structure. Java source file structure. Okay, sir, here just observe the first important conclusion. Can you tell a Java program can contain how many number of classes? A Java program can contain how many classes? Is it only one class or any number of classes? Any number of classes, right? Now suppose I am taking class A, okay, class B, okay, like class C. Sir, have you observed my Java program contain how many classes at a time? Okay, any number of classes at a time. Sir, if multiple classes are there, then which name we have to give for Java program name? Which name I have to use for the source file? Yes, any name can I use, or okay, which name I have to use for this Java program? I have to give the name for this. So some people may feel, sir, the class which contains main method, can you please give that class name? Are you getting? Can you please give that class name? Yeah, the file name. How many people are feeling like this? Sir, the class which name I have to give for this program? The class which contains main method. Assume that main method is there inside b.java. Then which name I have to use for this program? How many people are feeling the class which contain main method? That the class name we have to use for this program. Yeah, the name program name is the class name which contains main method. Okay, make sure one simple conclusion: the class which contain main method and the program name nowhere related. Simple, is nothing but there is no link at all. So there is no relation. Sir, which name we have to give? Simple answer: any name we can use for this program. Sir, if you want, you can save a.java. No problem. Or if you want, you can save as b.java. Or if you want, you can save as c.java. Okay, no issue at all. Or if you want, you can save as durga.java. Durga.java, valid. No problem at all. Are you getting? So a Java program can contain any number of classes and we can use any name for Java program, no problem at all. But here one small twist is there. What that twist is? How many classes can be declared as the public? Sir, I want to declare some public class. How many classes can be declared as the public? A Java program can contain any number of classes, but how many classes can be declared as the public? At most one class. What is the meaning of at most one? Either 0 or 1. Okay, at most one class can be declared as a public. Okay, remember, sir, if there is a public class, then which name I have to use for this program? The class which is public, that class name we have to use for program name. Otherwise we will get compile time error. Simple, what you should aware. Sorry, a Java program can contain any number of classes and we can declare at most one class as public. If there is a public class, the name of the program and the name of the public class must be matched. Otherwise compile time error, right? Suppose if there is no public class, any name we can use, no problem. Sir, if the class B is public, if a class B is public, can you tell what is the name of this program? The name of this program should be b.java. Is it clear, right? The name of the program should be b.java. Otherwise, compile time error we are going to get. Now the terminology is very clear for you people, right? A Java program can contain any number of classes, but at most one class can be declared as public. If there is a public class, name of the program and name of the public class must be matched. If there is no public class, then any name we can use for Java program, no restrictions, right? Are you getting? So here let me explain with an example, right? Here see this point well. Same example here, let me take. Here I am taking 1 minute. Just restarted it seems. I will show and then we can start taking the notes. Okay, here just observe the point well. Sir, here just have a look once. Sir, class A and here class B and I am taking class C. Class A, class B, class C. Sir, there is no public class. Can I use which name for Java program name? Any name we can use. I want to save this code as durga.java. Is it valid or not? Yes, no problem at all. Durga.java, I use this program name. Now let me compile. 100% pakka, the code compiles fine, there is no problem at all. Java C durga.java, the code compiles fine, there is no problem at all. Java, okay, this is Java C durga.java, compiles fine. Sir, if a class B is a public, name of the program should be b.java. But which name I gave for this program? Durga.java. Is it a valid or invalid? Invalid. Compile time error we are going to get. Sir, because if B is the public, name of the program should be b.java. Do you know what exact compile time error we are going to get? Sir, class B is public, should be declared in a file named b.java. Are you getting? Should be declared in a file named b.java. Compiler very is nothing but very decently it's going to provide information like. Can you please have a look? Class B is a public. Class B is public, should be declared in a file named b.java. Sir, class B is the public, you have to place inside b.java, not inside durga.java. Like compile time error we are getting, right? Now what I have to do, let me save this code. Yes, here 1 minute. Let me save file, save as b.java. Sir, file save as b.java I am taking. Sir, now it is valid or not? Now this program name is what? b.java. That's why now let me take Java C here b.java. Here have you observed? Java C b.java. Happily the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Are you getting? Sir, now the point is, if class A is public anyway, class B is the public. Now I want to declare class C also public. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Compile time error we are going to get. Sir, can you tell what compile time error we will get? What compile time error we will get? Yes, more than one class I am declaring as the public. What compile time error we will get? So simple word. Sir, here see. What is the name of the program? B.Java. Class B is the public. There is no violation. B public and the name of the program B.Java. But class C is public. But name of the program is B.Java. Class C is public. Should be declared in a file named C.Java. Like compile time error we are going to get. Have you observed? Here observe the compile time error. Class C is public. Should be declared in a file named C.Java. I hope you people can able to understand, right? Okay. So make sure you people should aware. Okay. A Java program can contain any number of classes, but at most one class can be declared as public. If there is a public class, name of the program and name of the public class must be matched. If there is no public class, any name we can use for Java program, no problem at all. Sir, can I declare more than one class as public class or not? No. By mistake, if you are taking more than one public class in our Java program, compile time error we are going to get. Now the first point is clear for you people. Okay, at this point, a Java program can contain any number of classes. A Java program can contain any number of classes, any number of classes, but at most one class can be declared as public. But at most one class can be declared as public. At most one class can be declared as public. At most one class can be declared as public. If there is a public class, then name of the program and the name of the public class, must be matched. Name of the program and name of the public class must be matched. Otherwise, name of the program and name of the public class must be matched. Otherwise, we will get compile time error. Okay. Take example. Better to take class A, class B, class C. Class A, class B, class C. Class A, class B, class C. Better to take within box. Within box. Now add case 1. Case 1. If there is no public class, case 1. If there is no public class, public class, then if there is no public class, then can you tell which name we can give for this program? Then we can use any name. There are no restrictions. Then we can use any name. We can use any name, and there are no restrictions. We can use any name and there are no restrictions. Any name and there are no restrictions. Like, okay, at this point, A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, Durga.Java. Example, A.Java, B.Java, C.Java, and Durga.Java. Any name we can give, no problem at all. Okay. Next, case 2. Listen this one. Sir, if class B is public, then compulsory name of the program should be class B is the public, then compulsory name of the program should be B.Java. By mistake, if you are using any other, immediately compile time error you are going to get. Sir, can you spell out what that compile time error? What is that error? Class B is public, comma, should be declared should be declared in a file, named b.java. Are you getting? Class B the public should be declared in a file named b.java. This is the compile time method by default we are going to get. Add case 2. If a class B is public, class B is public, then name of the program should be b.java. Name of the program should be b.java. Otherwise, name of the program should be b.java. Otherwise, we will get compile time error. Saying yeah, this one. Class B is public, comma, should be declared in a file, named b.java. Class B is public, comma, should be declared in a file named b.java. So case 1, case 2. Okay, like. Sir, next case 3. Okay. Now observe. Sir, listen. Class B is public. Class C is public. Sir, I am taking both the classes are public and the name of the program is b.java. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. So class B is the public, class C is the public, name of the program is b.java, then it is invalid. What is the reason? You know, because more than one public class we can't declare first. What compile time method we are going to get? Class B is the public, name of the program is b.java, so no problem at all. But class C is public, name of the program is b.java, that's why the problem is coming. Now what compile time method is? Class C is a public, should be declared in a file named c.java. Okay, like compile time method here we are going to get. Are getting? Add case 3. If class B and C, declared as public, if classes B and C declared as public, and the name of the program is b.java, then we will get compile time error. Saying class C is public, comma, should be declared in a file. Class C is public, comma, should be declared in a file named c.java. Class C is public, comma, should be declared in a file named c.java. Like, are you getting the point right? Okay, this is. So make sure you people should aware clearly about this point right? Okay, this is. But some people felt, sir, the class which contain main method, that class name we have to use for Java program name. The class which contain main method and the program name, there is no relation. Sir, let me cover one more example to describe that possibility also. You are saying, I am taking simple example, observe. Sir, I am taking class, see this one, class A. One more example to demonstrate. Class A, within the class public static void main method string array args. Sir, public static void main string array args. System.out.println, okay, A class main, A class main, like I'm taking A class main. Next class B, public static void main string array args. Class B, public static void main string array args. System dot out dot println B class main, an SOP of B class main, class A, class B. Next class C, public static void main method string array args. Public static void main string array args. System dot out dot println C class main. Are getting? C class main. A, B, C classes contain main method. Next class D also I am taking, but D class doesn't contain main method. Are you getting? Class D also I am taking. Now observe this total program. Can you tell which name we can use for this program? Which name we can use for this program? Any name. Durga.java I am using. Durga.java I am using. Is it valid or not? In name, because there is no public class, happily we can use any name. Then immediately you ask, sir, if these many main methods are there, how the code is going to compile? And whenever I am trying to execute this program, which main method is going to execute? Like you may have several doubts, right? Now observe this one. Sir, here I am taking, just make sure. Sir, here I want to compile this code. I want to compile. Observe. Java C, sir, Java C Durga.java. Make sure you people should be very clearly. Java C Durga.java. Whenever we are trying to compile a Java program, okay, whenever we are trying to compile a Java program, for every class present in that program, a separate dot class file will be generated. Are getting? For every class present in this program, a separate dot class file will be generated. Can you tell how many classes are there? 4 classes, 4 dot class files are going to be generated. Are you getting? Now, what is the first class, Anna? A dot class. Second class, B dot class. Third class, C dot class. Fourth class, D dot class. Sir, very unfortunate, Durga dot class file won't be generated. Are you getting? Because dot class file names based on classes present in the program, but not based on name of the program. Remember this one. So actually, what is the name of this program? Durga.java. But there is no Durga.class. Durga.class won't be generated even though you compile Java C Durga.java. Okay. Now observe. Sir, I have to run this code. Make sure I have to run this code. Java A. Whenever we are executing a particular class, observe the difference. Java C, what is the argument? Name of the program. But Java, what is the argument? Class name. Sir, we can run a Java class, but we can compile a Java program, Java source file. Are you getting? We can compile a program, but we can run a Java class, not program, Java class. Java A, whenever we are executing a particular class, the corresponding class main method will be executed. So which one is the corresponding class main method, Anna? A class main. Are you getting? What is the output by default we are going to get? A class main. A class main. Now I am taking Java B, like this I am taking. Java B. Can you tell what is the output by default we are going to get now? B class main. Because I am executing B. So B class main. Next, Java C I am taking. Sir, listen, Java C. Sir, C class contain main method or not? Yes. Then what is the output by default we are going to get? C class main. C class main, like I am getting. Now, just observe. Observe the next terminology also. Sir, I am taking Java D. Sir, D class contain main method or not? No. Whenever we are executing a Java class, if the corresponding class doesn't contain main method, then we will get runtime exception saying Sir, then we will get runtime exception saying no such method error, no such method error colon main. No such method error colon main, like this we are going to get. Next, Java Durga, right? Sir, Java Durga. Can you tell is there any Durga dot class file? Not there. Immediately we will get runtime exception saying no class def found error. No class def found error. Which one is nothing but what? Durga, right? Are you getting? Sir, if a program contains several classes and every class contains main method, how the behavior? Now is it clear for all of you? Okay, this is. So we can compile a Java program, but we can run a Java class. Whenever we are executing a Java class, okay, the corresponding class main method will be executed. If the corresponding class doesn't contain main, then we will get what? No such method error. Okay, this is. If the corresponding dot class file not there, then we will get what? No class def found error. Right? Clear for all of you? Okay, this is. Make sure most of the people feel the class which contain main method, that class name we have to use for Java program name. There is no such type of relation. Clear for all of you? Right? Now let me execute. Here 1 minute. Just have a look once, because version to version there is a small changes in compile time errors, I mean JVM exceptions especially. Let me strict to 1.6 version. Okay, let me strict to 1.6. okay, set path is equal to, now set path is equal to 1.6 version path I am setting. Okay, that's all. Okay, now let me take one simple program. What is the program is here? Just 1 minute. Let me take. Sir, here I am taking class A. So A class main. A class main. Like I am taking. Same thing we have to take for B class. Same thing we have to take for C class. And then what? Class D. Okay, let me rename the class names. Class A, okay, well, class B, and this one is nothing but what? B class main. Next, this one class C, and it is C class main. Okay, class D like we have. Let me save this program. Yes, what is the name? Durga.java. Durga.java. I saved this one Durga.java, right? Now Java C, Durga.java. Yes, the code compiles fine. How many classes got generated? 4 classes got generated, right? Java A class main. Java B class main. Java C class main. Are you getting? Java D. What will happen? Exception in thread main. No such method error colon main. Have you observed exception in thread main? No such method error colon main. Like this we are getting. Sir, now Java Durga. Is there any Durga dot class file? Not there. Immediately we are going to get. Have you observed? No class def found error colon which one? Durga, right? Any explanation is required about this one? That's all. Make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, at this point. Take this example 2. Example 2. Take this part. Class A public static void main string array args A class main. Next, class B public static void main B class main. Class C public static void main C class main. And then class D. Class D. Class D. Class D. Completed, I hope. Class A, class B, class C, class D. Better to take clearly. So even these are very basics, but clarity must be required for you people. Yet these basic level also some people may not have clear picture. Take clearly. Java C Durga.java. If we compile, take all these options. A dot class, B dot class, C dot class, under D dot class. A dot class, B dot class, C dot class, D dot class. Next, Java A. What is the output we are going to get? A class main. Java B, B class main. Take clearly. Java C class main. Java D, we will get runtime exception saying no such method error colon main. No such method error colon main. Next, Java Durga. We will get runtime exception saying no class def found error colon Durga. No class def found error colon Durga. Like, can I complete it right? No class def found error colon Durga, like. Okay. So just based on this example, let me add conclusions. Add conclusions. Completed right? Complete first. I hope is clear. Next, keep submitting conclusions. Okay, under that first one, first conclusions, first one. Yeah, done. Whenever we are trying to compile, whenever we are compiling a Java program, whenever we are compiling a Java program, for every class present in that program, a separate dot class file will be generated. For every class present in that program, a separate dot class file will be generated. Correct or not? In this example, how many classes generated? 4 classes, because 4 classes present in our Java program, right? Okay. Next, second. Sir, here have you observed? We can compile a Java program, but we can run a Java class. Observe the words. Okay. Add second. We can compile a Java program within bracket Java source file. We can compile a Java program within bracket Java source file. We can compile a Java program within bracket Java source file. But we can run a Java class dot class file. We can run a Java dot class file. We can run a Java dot class. Next, another third point. Here see, sir, whenever we are trying to run a Java class, the corresponding class main method will be executed. Sir, I am taking Java A class main, Java B class main, Java C class main. If the corresponding class doesn't contain main method, then we will get what? No such method error colon main. Are you getting right? Okay. Add. Whenever we are executing a Java class, whenever we are executing a Java class, whenever we are executing a Java class, the corresponding class main method, the corresponding class main method will be executed. 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 Next, if the class doesn't contain main method, if the class doesn't contain main method, if the class doesn't contain main method, class doesn't contain main method, then if the class doesn't contain main method, then class doesn't contain main method, then we will get runtime exception. Then we will get runtime exception saying, then we will get runtime exception saying, can I spell out what is that exception? We will get runtime exception saying no such method error colon main. We will get runtime exception saying no such method error colon main. No such method error colon main. No such method error colon main. Like this we are getting. Next, if the next point, if the corresponding dot class file not available, 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 then we will get runtime exception saying, then we will get runtime exception saying, then we will get runtime exception saying no class def found error. We will get runtime exception saying no class def found error. No class def found error. That's all. Are you able to understand, right? Okay, this is, sir, if a Java program contains several classes and every class contain main method, what is the behavior, right? Now I hope the terminology is clear for all of you, right? Okay, just observe. So here in this example we covered, listen, in this example we covered, so a Java program can contain any number of classes, so like this one, and each class can contain main method, like. But I have one important conclusion for you. Is it recommended to take multiple classes inside a single program? Taking these many classes within a single source file, is it recommended or not? No, it's not recommended. It is readability of the code by default is going to be down, or maintainability of the code is going to be down. Okay, this is, do you know, even though we can declare multiple classes within a single program, but it's not a good programming practice. Immediately ask why. What is the reason for that? Just observe. Sir, I want to write one program, one application I want to build. Around 250 classes are required. Are you getting? Almost around 250 classes are required. What I did is, those 250 classes I distributed across three files. So file1.java, sir, file1.java contain 150 classes. File1.java contain 150 classes. File2.java contain 75 classes. Okay. File3.java contain, okay, 25 classes. File3.java. So total 250 classes we spread across the 3 source files. Are you getting? Total 250 we spread across the 3 source files, right? Now my target is, sir, can you tell, is it recommended approach or not? Worst kind of programming practice. What is the reason? You may ask, what is the reason for that? Simple. Sir, I am analyzing this file1.java. Sir, I'm analyzing this file. Okay. Within this, somewhere I saw account A is equal to new account A dot get info method is there. A dot get info method is there. I want to analyze how get info method is implemented in account class. then where account class is available? I searched in this file.java, file1.java. Hardly half an hour I spent. I'm not seeing anywhere account inside file1.java account class. Oh, maybe not there here. Then I open file 2. Is there anywhere account class? Not there. Then I open file 3. After half an hour analysis, then here I saw class account like. Are you getting? So which file contain which class is always a problem or not? Yes, it is. Next, after some time, loan L is equal to new loan L is equal to new loan, L dot get interest rate, L dot get interest rate like. Sir, where is the loan class is available? Because I have to analyze the functionality of this one. Then where is the loan class is available like? First I check it here, not there. Then I checked in this file, not there. Then I checked in this. At last somewhere here class loan is there. Are you getting? Which file contain which class? It is always a problem to identify. Are you getting that? Okay. Readability of the code is going to be down. Maintainability of the code is going to be down. Tomorrow I want to change loan functionality. Where the loan class is available, first identify and so on is a big problem, right? That's why this approach is not at all recommended. Then how I can solve this problem? Is for every class take a separate source file. Are you getting? Per program only one class. Name of the class, name of the program must be same. Are you getting? Per class, per program only one source file. Per source file only one class. Name of the class and name of the program must be matched. Okay. Account class. Better to take inside account dot java contain account class. Loan class. Okay. Loan class is available inside what? Loan dot java. Customer class available inside customer dot java. Suppose tomorrow where is account class? Can you tell where account class present? Inside account dot java. Where the loan class present? Inside loan dot java. Where the customer class present? Inside customer dot java. Have you observed the word? So per source file only one class, name of the class and name of the program must be matched. The main advantage of this approach is readability, maintainability of the code is going to be improved. Are you getting that? Suppose anywhere account functionality is required. And now where account class is available? Where account class is available? Inside account.java. Sir, somewhere loan functionality is required. Where loan class is available? Inside loan.java. Are you getting? Sir, I want a string functionality. Where string class is available? Inside string.java. I want object class functionality. Where it's available? Inside object.java. This approach is always recommended. But this type of approach is the worst kind of approach. Is it clear for all of you? So it is highly recommended to take only one class per source file. Per source file, the main advantage of this approach is readability, maintainability of the code is going to be improved. Clear for all of you? Okay, add next point. In the conclusions, last point. It is not recommended. It's not recommended. It's not recommended. It is not recommended. Not recommended to declare multiple classes. Not recommended to declare multiple classes in a single source file. Not recommended to declare multiple classes in a single source file. In a single source file. In a single source file. Comma. In a single source file. Next para. It is highly recommended. It is highly recommended to declare only one class. Highly recommended to declare only one class. Only one class per source file. Only one class per source file. Only one class per source file. And the name of the program. We have to keep same as class name. We have to keep same as class name. Keep same as class name. The main advantage of this approach is The main advantage of this approach is readability and maintainability of the code. Readability and maintainability of the code will be improved. Readability and maintainability of the code will be improved. Readability and maintainability of the code will be improved. That's all. Are you able to understand, right? Okay. So what is the general statements related to per source file? How many classes we can take and so on, right? Okay, the same. Now the next subtopic, make sure you should have clear clarity. Listen very carefully about this one. Almost 2 hours we are going to spend 2 hours minimum around the on this concept. Observe carefully. I don't want to spell out name of the concept at the beginning. Just listen first. Sir, I am taking class test, a simple class test. Public static void main method. Public static void main string array args. Class test public static void main. Now I am taking array list L is equal to new array list. Array list L is equal to new array list. Can you tell either code is going to compile or not? Array? Either code is going to compile or not? No. Immediately compiler is going to raise compile time error saying, Durga, you are using some class named with array list. Where this array list is available? Can you please let me know? Like compile time error by default we are going to get. What that error is, cannot find a symbol. Which symbol? Cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Class array list. Cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Class array list. In which location? Okay. Class test. Sir, in the test class, you are using some class named with array list. Where it is available? First let me know. Then only I can compile. Like compile time error by default I am getting. Now I have one big doubt on the compiler. Sir, compiler telling I am unable to find a symbol class array list. If really compiler don't know about array list, then how it is identified the symbol class array list? Are you getting my point? So compiler is telling Durga, you are using some class named with array list. Where this array list class is available? First let me know. Then only I can compile. Like compiler is going to raise compile time error. But now my doubt on the compiler. If really compiler don't know about anything about array list, how it is identified the class array list? Array list is a class. How the compiler identified? Maybe compiler is acting or other option. Maybe compiler is acting or other option. We are creating object. Usually we can create object for classes. In that perspective, compiler identifies that it is a class array list. Let me cross check. Really compiler don't know about array list or not. Now observe this example. Let me execute this code. Here see, I'm taking 1 minute. Here see, same example, class test I'm taking. Within the test class, here see, array list L is equal to new array list. Array list L is equal to new array list. Like this I'm taking. So test.java, like I'm taking. Are you getting? Array list L is equal to new array list test.java, like. Now here Java C test.java. Have you observed? Yeah. So cannot find symbol. Which symbol is nothing but class array list. In which location? Class test. Like compile time error we are getting. Now my doubt is, take very special care about this terminology or about this point, right? Okay. What is the conclusion is, observe a bit carefully. Sir, compiler, let me check one more condition. System.out.println of array list. System.out.println of array list. Just like variable I am using, SOP of X. Just like a variable I am using array list. Now let me compile. Are you getting? Cannot find symbol. Which symbol? Variable array list. Oh, if I'm using array list as a class, now compiler is telling cannot find symbol class array list. If I'm using array list just like a method, now compiler is showing cannot find symbol method array list. If I'm using array list as a variable, compiler is telling cannot find symbol variable array list. Can I conclude really compiler is the innocent person or not? Yes, compiler really don't know about array list, right? Okay, this is. So now I have to convey. Compiler is asking very innocently, Durga, you are using class array list. Where it is available? Please let me know. Like now I have to tell the answer. Suppose assume some student. So in the internet discussion forum, one student asked, where SCJP training is available? Okay, like someone okay posted one query, sir, where SCJP training is available, like. Then so you saw that, then what response you are going to provide? Where SCJP training is available, what response you are going to tell? It is available inside in Durga Soft. Dintlo doubt ana? Is it doubt? All of you are learning SCJP only. Remember. So Durga Soft is available, like. Then immediately I ask, where SCJP is where Durga Soft is available? Are getting? Then immediately he told it is locating at SR Nagar or Maitrivanam, like. SR Nagar you told. Then immediately that person asked, where is SR Nagar? This person don't know about SR Nagar means he is not coming, he is not from Hyderabad, it seems. If this person is from Hyderabad, he should be aware. Where is SR Nagar, like? Then immediately, okay, it is locating inside in Hyderabad, like I provided. Then immediately that person asked, where is Hyderabad or which Hyderabad? Is it India Hyderabad or Pakistan Hyderabad? Because in the Pakistan also Hyderabad is there. This person don't know about Hyderabad also, it seems like. What I did is, there is one, okay. So there is one location named with the world is there. In that world, Asia is there. In the Asia, India is there, country named with India is there. In the India, there is one state named with the TG is there, Telangana. Okay. In that, okay, there is one location named with Hyderabad is there. In that, there is a location named, there is Durga Soft is there, like I provided, right? Okay, Hyderabad dot SR Nagar dot Durga Soft, like I provided. If I provide this information, then automatically, is there any chance of raising any other question? Okay, because starts from the world I provided. World, Asia, India, Telangana, Hyderabad, SR Nagar, Durga Soft. If I provide this one, then immediately that person responded, thanks man, thanks for providing your valuable data. So not possible to attend because I am from Afghanistan, like this person provided, right? Are you getting? So this type of information is called fully qualified name. What is this concept, Anna? Fully qualified name. This type of concept is nothing but fully qualified name. Now make sure you people should aware. So compiler is asking very innocently, like, Durga, you are using some class name with array list. Where it is available? First let me know, then only I can compile. Now I have to convey to the compiler. Compiler, do you know Java package? Yes. In that sub package util is there, you know? Yes. In that util array list is there, that array list I am using, like we have to convey. How you can specify that information is nothing but, instead of this array list, better to use fully qualified name. Are you getting? Replace this line with, what is this line, Anna? Java dot util dot array list L is equal to new Java dot util dot array list. If I contain fully qualified name, then automatically the problem will be solved. What is this one, Anna? Fully qualified name. Fully qualified name. Instead of short name, better to use what? Fully qualified name. So I am conveying to the compiler. Hey compiler, do you know Java package? In that util package is there. In that array list I'm using. So I hope now you can able to understand which array list I'm using. Like if I use this one, happily the code is going to compile. Are you able to understand it? Okay, just observe this one. Here I'm taking 1 minute. Here I'm taking array list L is equal to new array list. I'm taking like this. Array list L is equal to new array list. Can you tell either code is going to compile or not? No. Compile a method saying cannot find symbol, which is symbol class array list. Like now I can solve this problem by using fully qualified name. Are you getting? Java.util.arraylist L is equal to new java.util.arraylist. Can you tell if the code is going to compile or not? Yes. Have you observed? Okay, there is no problem at all. Are you getting? Now what compiled method we got, how you solve this problem is nothing but clear, right? But the problem with the fully qualified name every time is, suppose assume there is one person is there in our class named with Vera Venkata Subramanya Varaprasada Nagasastri. Mayo, can you spell out? Vera Venkata Subramanya Varaprasada Nagasastri. Is that there is one student named with that? Is there? Now I asked, I want to communicate with that person. I want to talk with that person. Hi, Vera Venkata Subramanya Varaprasada Nagasastri. When you joined this course, sorry, yesterday, Vera Venkata Subramanya Varaprasada Nagasastri, what is your qualification? MCA. Vera Venkata Subramanya Varaprasada Nagasastri, what is your native place? Okay, Warangal. Vera Venkata Subramanya have you observed? If any person is going to observe my conversation, that person is going to listen only one word. Where Venkat Subramanya Varaprasad Nagasastri, that's all, which dominates entire remaining conversation. Correct or not? So the problem with the lengthy names or the problem with the fully qualified name is nothing but usage of fully qualified name every time reduces readability of the code, increases length of the code. Sir, where Venkat Subramanya Varaprasad Nagasastri. So java.util.arraylist. Every time java.util.arraylist, java.util.arraylist. Arraylist I want to use 100 times. 100 times we have to type java.util.arraylist, java.util.arraylist. Is it a problem or not? Yes. Okay. The main problem with the fully qualified name is it increases length of the code and reduces what? Readability, right? Okay. Now I have to arrange one contract. Pass. Every time spell out your fully qualified name is always a problem for me. So where Venkat Subramanya Varaprasad Nagasastri, it's very horrible to pronounce. What I will do, next time onwards I will ask, so Sastri, is there any person in our class named with Sastri is available or not? Okay, no one is there. Okay, this way. So now onwards Sastri is nothing but you have to respond. Regarding Sastri is nothing but you have to respond. Now observe the conversation. Sastri, what is your native place? Or Sastri, when you join this course? Or what is your, okay, this qualification? Have you observed? So now the conversation will be more readable. Okay, this type of arrangement we have to take for this fully qualified name also. What is that arrangement here is import statement, right? Import java.util.arraylist or dot star. In our program, if anywhere array list I am using, what it means is nothing but this java.util.arraylist. If I write import statement once, now onwards directly I can use array list, not required to use fully qualified name. Is it clear for all of you that? Okay, this is. So what is the advantage of import statement? Import statement acts as best typing shortcut for you people. Are you getting? If import statement is not there, then our life will become very horrible. Is it clear? Because every time I have to use fully qualified name, java.util.arraylist, readability of the code is going to be down. Okay, such type of beautiful concept is nothing but what? Import statement, right? Okay, at this point. Keep suffering. Import statement. Import statement. Import statement. Import statement. Okay. So better first you have to take this program. Now 1 minute. Take this code. Class test. Take the code first. Class test. public static void main string array args, public static void main string array args, string array args, array list L is equal to new array list, array list L is equal to new array list, array list L is equal to new array list, new array list. Are you getting? So first add the compile time error, add the error, only one, cannot find symbol, compile time error, cannot find symbol, cannot find symbol, which symbol, class array list, class array list, in which location, class test, cannot find symbol, symbol class array list, location class test, location class test, class test like, okay, at the point, add. We can solve this problem, we can solve this problem, we can solve this problem by using, we can solve this problem by using fully qualified name, by using fully qualified name, by using fully qualified name, by using fully qualified name. Anna, just take only this line, java dot util dot, java dot util dot array list L is equal to, java dot util dot array list L is equal to new java dot util dot array list, java dot util dot array list L is equal to new java dot util dot array list, array list. Are you getting the point? Okay, this is now just highlight this one, java dot util dot array list, yes, fully qualified name, highlight only that, java dot util dot array list is nothing but what, fully qualified name, highlight that, fully qualified name, fully qualified name, fully qualified name. Okay, next the problem with the usage of fully qualified name, the problem with the usage of fully qualified name every time is, the problem with the usage of fully qualified, the problem with usage of fully qualified name every time is, the problem with usage of fully qualified name every time is, it increases length of the code, it increases length of the code, it increases length of the code, and reduces readability, it increases length of the code and reduces readability, it increases length of the code and reduces readability. Next para, we can solve this problem, we can solve this problem by using, we can solve this problem by using import statement, we can solve this problem by using import statement. Next para, whenever we are writing import statement, 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 it is not required to use, it is not required to use, it is not required to use fully qualified name every time, it is not required to use fully qualified name every time, not required to use fully qualified name every time. We can use a short name directly, we can use a short name directly, we can use a short name directly. Okay, now see this one, import java dot util dot array list. Now can I use this short name directly or not? Is it required to use fully qualified name? No. Okay, observe. Now happily the code compiles fine, there is no problem. Take this example, import java dot util dot array list, import java dot util dot array list, class java dot util dot array list, class test. Next, public static void main string array args array list L is equal to new array list. Array list L is equal to new array list. Array list L is equal to new array list. New array list. New array list. That's all. Are you getting the point, right? Okay, this is array list L is equal to new array list. Better to highlight this array list as a short name. Highlight array list as a short name. Short name. Short name. Short name. Okay, completed, right? So now add hence import statement acts as typing shortcut. Import statement as a typing shortcut. Import statement acts as a typing shortcut. Typing shortcut. That's all. Import statement acts as a typing shortcut. That's all.